Approaches to development communication is a topic which is taught normally in the graduate and the postgraduate levels. In the syllabus of development communication, basically there are two main types of approaches. The first type of approach is top to down approach, top to bottom approach. Here, the development activity or any development program is planned by an agency which is at the top. This agency does everything with regarding to development, whether it's planning, whether it's selecting the area for development, whether it's implementation of the project, or whether it's monitoring of a program or a project. Everything is done by the agencies who are sitting at the top. Now you should understand these two terms. What is a top and what is a bottom? The top are the people who are planning, implementing, and framing development programs, policies for the people at the bottom. Now, who are these people at the bottom? The people at the bottom are the normal stakeholders or the people of a community for whom the development activity is intended to. And these people, they have no participation when it comes to the planning or framing or the implementation of any project. It is for them that the top is conducting a development activity. So the development activities flows from the top to the bottom. So that's why this approach is called top to down approach of development. The second type of development approach is the bottom to top approach, or also called as the participatory approach of development, or the participatory process of development. Now the bottom are the people or for whom the development activity was taking place in the top down model. But here what happens is that the people at the bottom play a very important role in planning, decision making, implementation of the project. So when a project is decided or when a development activity or program is decided, the people at the bottom are the people who make decisions, the people who identify what problems they are facing. Then they gather resources, and then after getting resources they take the help of the top to implement these projects which they have planned. So the thing here is that the bottom are the stakeholders are playing a very important role in the bottom to top model. And because the people are allowed to participate in the development process, this model is also called as participatory process of development. So this is the difference between top to bottom and bottom to top. Here, when it comes to top to bottom, the top plays a major role. When it comes to bottom to top approach, it is the bottom or the people for whom the development activity matters play an important role. So this is top to bottom and bottom to top model. So this is basically the two approaches of development. I hope this has helped you. This is just an experiment whether I can use the video mode of a camera or the selfie mode of a camera to pass educative information. For more information, you can always contact me on my blog, which is the name of the blog is Bhav, and I have put all the information regarding the development communication subject on that blog. Kindly go to that blog. All the best for your studies.